This Vanoss 8900. I want to show you my car for the 4th of July. Look at it. This is pretty cool. I like this car. I made it yesterday night. Last of the night. It's pretty cool. I'll show you. It's a pretty cool. It's a pretty cool car. Alright, who's getting the big stuff? Oh yeah. Oops. Alright, now we'll get in the big stuff. Got a Lamborghini. This is 2013. It is. And it's really fast. And I got a Giga. Oh, it's 2011. Got a 2016, especially. I don't know why it says 14. Then I was in this Ferrari GTO 1989.